Today we're gonna be rating EAS alarms. 5 out of 10. It's mildly scary, but not that much. 0 out of 10. It's literally making me feel good. 0 out of 10. It literally just sounds like swearing everywhere from people. 6 out of 10. It kind of sounds like Siren Head, but let's move on. Infinity out of 10. It's so party time. Let's go. It literally just sounds like something that you would put tires on. 0 out of 10. Negative 5 out of 10. It's literally just half of Greece's EAS alarm. 5 out of 10. It sounds like a machine breaking instantly. Negative 5. 0 out of 10. I can barely hear it. 5 out of 10. It literally just sounds like internet from the 1440s. 5 out of 10. It literally just sounds like race cars and drums. 2 out of 10. It's literally just beeping and it's annoying me. 1 out of 10. The pizza rolls are ready. 5 out of 10. It's not even that cool. Infinity out of 10 is so scary. 0 out of 10. It's party time again, just like Italy. Negative 5,000 out of 10. It's annoying. 11 out of 10. It's mildly scary. It's loud. Infinity out of 10. It's a nuclear countdown. Get inside. 0 out of 10. It sounds like Donald Duck screaming. His distorted radio scream. 5 out of 10. It literally hurts my ears. 5 out of 10. A. It literally just sounds like somebody screaming. Sounds like a modern 0 out of 10. It's literally just a modern high-pitched ambulance. This one really just sounds like swearing in pianos. Infinity out of 10. That's a nuke. What's this one? 5 out of 10. It's literally a room. 5 out of 10. It's not that scary. 2 out of 10. It's not even cool. It sounds like Siren Head. Infinity out of 10, I mean. It's a 2 out of 10. 11 out of 10. It's super scary. 5 out of 10. It literally sounds like somebody dying. 7 out of 10. It literally makes my ears hurt. No.
Come here. I need your warmth.
No. 5 out.
Look what's on.
2 out of 10. It's literally.
Cinderella's Dolly House.
5 out of 10. It's not. 5 out of 10. It's superhero mode. 5 out of 10. It's literally just singing law. 5 out of 10. Whoever made this, it's cool, but we'll get the Switzerland. Infinity out of 10. 4 out of 10. It's like, nope. I'm moving on. 5 out of 10. 1 out of 10. It's not even mildly scary. 1 1 out of 10. It's literally just a copy of Philippines. 6 out of 10. It's not scary, but 5 out of 10. Nope. It's not gonna be worth it. Infinity out of 10. It's literally just insane. Zero out of 10. It's just like Spain, and it's like, yeah, it's just like Spain. So 0 out of 10. I can't even hear it. Well, that's it for today.